Hey, welcome to my channel everyone. Today I will be unboxing a low-cost RGB enabled mouse from Redgear, the Redgear A20 Gaming mouse. I have purchased this mouse from Amazon during a deal and costed me around 599 rupees. And here's the box it came packed with. You can see some specification written over here and some Redgear branding. Now let's have a look inside. We have got a CD driver for the mouse and to control the RGB light, a Redgear sticker, and they have included a manual booklet. You can find the setting for the RGB light here. And finally, the actual product. Here how it looks. The build quality seems to be decent. The cables are also braided and seems to be durable. But the USB connector is not gold plated. Now have a look at some of its lighting effect. The light is bright, but I wish the RGB part should have been larger. Anyways, the mouse looked cool for the price I have paid. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you have liked my videos. If yes, then click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.